Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can refresh your For You page on TikTok. So if your For You page has been really weird lately, it has just been showing you random ass videos you don't even really care about, and you just want to reset your entire For You page like it was when you just installed TikTok, then here's how you can do it. So literally all you need to do is click on profile, and then you want to go to the top right corner of your screen at those three little like stripes. You want to then click on settings and privacy, and you need to scroll down till you find content preferences right here. You just click on it, you click on refresh your For You feed or page, it will say feed, then click on continue, click on refresh, and now you can see you've refreshed your For You page, and you can also say why you've refreshed it. But yeah, literally right now if I just reset my For You page, it will be just completely set to normal, to default basically, and I will be getting a lot more popular videos, and then the more I watch my For You page again, the more personalized it will get again. That's how you can refresh your For You page on TikTok. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.